So given how much the Irish are willing to stand up to foreign criminals, as we've seen in recent weeks, it really amazes me they still have random third worlders going around, assaulting and harassing people.
How you let my child is there to be dead, he's an old man, he's a 16-month-old baby, and he'll be back to fill the road for us. Oh my God.
I mean, given the mood of the country at the moment, I certainly wouldn't be behaving that way if I was an immigrant. Mind you, I wouldn't behave this way at all, immigrant or not. So maybe it's just the fact that we don't understand these people. They're not like us, which is why no one wants to live with them.
Wearing a green and black North Face jacket. As he walks past a group of people on Oliver Plunkett Street, he lifts his elbow and hits a woman in the head, knocking her unconscious. Now, he quickly made his way along Oliver Plunkett Street and away from the scene, and the victim was left with a broken orbital bone on her right eye socket.
A shocking moment.
Just lovely. I bet the Irish people are absolutely thrilled this scumbag was imported into the country. And just like in England, the soft-touch traitors who decide such things immediately released him on bail. Why is this man in the country? What possible benefit is this horrible tosser bringing to Ireland? Forget about bail. If you're not going to immediately deport him, then people who go around doing this to women and are so clearly guilty, as in there's a video of them doing it, should be publicly flogged and then locked in a dark hole to rot for 10 years. If you want to behave like an animal, then you should be treated like an animal. It's an absolute disgrace. Of course, just because some of these foreigners don't immediately knock women unconscious, it does not mean the rest of them are pleasant for Irish women to deal with.
Very, very weird to approach women like that.
What you say?
Sexy. You want to f us?
No, you and you.
Do you not think it's weird to approach women on the street like that?
Stop, no. And it's you and just you.
Go f yourself. You weirdo, man. We could be underage. Absolute freak.
Just lovely again. Why is this man in Ireland? It's just remarkable Western governments have imported these savages into our countries for no other reason than they think these people are just raw GDP power that will pay for their pensions. Don't worry about the societal, cultural or criminality cost. Just import millions so we can keep funding a welfare state we clearly cannot afford because we teach children in schools they're trans, or they're evil for being white, or the world is ending due to climate change, or that men are oppressors so women should hate them, which leads to generations of young people not getting married and having children, and as a result, governments will just import foreigners from the biggest shitholes on the planet to replace them. It's truly an astonishing state of affairs. Ireland seems to be having a secret mosque problem at the moment, so
I'm on public property. I can do whatever I want. You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. You're in public. You are. The camera is not facing public. It is. Yes, it's not. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What? Yeah, you're swearing me in the morning. I swear at you. 6 o'clock and you religion by Muhammad and Muhammad is a yeah, you're swearing by Muhammad. I won't. You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do.
Mind your language.
Don't tell me what to do.
Better leave.
For what?
Celebration. Better leave.
For what?
Yeah.
Oh, why? Are you threatening me now? Are you threatening me now?
I'm not threatening you.
You told me I better leave, is it? I better leave, is it?
Record without the consent.
I'm O'Connell Street in Limerick. O'Connell Street in Limerick. I can record wherever I want to.
Of course the foreigners feel bold enough to immediately surround the man, threaten him, and tell him he better leave for standing in a public place in his own country. They really do think they can just do whatever they want, and the native people are just going to have to accept it. It's this type of thing that leads up to these sorts of interactions with this so-called security guard outside a mosque.
Put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't put your hands on me. If an asked to put your hands on me, don't put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me.
That's twice, you go, yeah. Have it on camera. Have it on camera. Yeah, have it on.